We have just seen in the video, Reman is one solution to protect the environment by reusing the majority of the single components to just provide a second life to the device. But what in case the customer does not want to exchange the full unit? Here, ZF Aftermarket is providing a nice big range of repair kits. Within the portfolio in ZF Aftermarket, there's a big number of complex but also valuable devices which consist out of high quality and costly components, which also consumes a significant level of energy as well as raw material during the production. And maybe let's have a look to a more concrete example. So here we are having two-cylinder air compressor for truck, and the mentioned valuable components are, for example, the housing as well as the cylinder head. And those components are very often strong enough that there is no need to replace them all the time, even during repair. They can be used more often, and this is saving then also valuable resources because we don't have to produce them completely new. And to really make the customer happy and satisfied, the most important first step is to identify the root cause of the failure, to know which component failed. And here we are offering for our devices always an exploded view so that you can easily identify which component has failed and needs to be replaced. And let's assume that in our case the pressure valve has failed, as an example. And to support also the right protection or the right solution to find the right repair kit, ZF is offering several solutions. So we are offering diagnostic software, for example, running on a PC, but as well the shown exploded view, that you're really on the safe side, that you don't waste money and energy to buy a wrong repair kit. Furthermore, the repair kits under the WABCO brand are always designed in a way that they are complete, that they're safe for repair, and that you get everything you need. And all the repair kits, they are coming also with a clear instruction to support the customer to have the right assembly process, but also to get all important information to apply the right torque values, but also the sequence to finally have a successful repair and that the vehicles going back to the street as soon as possible. And as in a repair kit, we are only providing the components which are really failed and also the side component which needs to be replaced. It's another green but also environmental friendly and cost-efficient solution for our customer. And beside that one, if you also think about the transport of the devices. So if you compare the complete compressor, the weight is an average 27 kilogram, versus the repair kit, in this case, it's even less than half a kilogram. And if you consider the whole supply chain from the production plant up to our end customer in a workshop, there's another benefit for the repair kit because we have to carry less weight at the end of the day. And so to further improve our also CO2 footprint, ZF is continuously extending the product range of repair kits. Nowadays, under the WABCO brand, we are offering around about 3,500 repair kits, which are applicable to more than 8,500 units. So it's already a nice portfolio. And if you would like to learn more about our products, I can just invite you to have a look into our product deep dive sessions, which are available on demand.